Edit the following passage by replacing underlined incorrect word with correct prepositional phrase. Actually, here the underlined word is what are wrong. Okay, so here, so you have to replace the underlined word by suitable prepositional phrase. Okay, first one you see, Janu is, so it's a passage. Janu is studying in class 10 in the event of is wrong. So what is the correct prepositional phrase here? According to the teachers. According to is the answer for first one. According to. So in the dash you have to write according to. So instead of in the event of. So in the event of is wrong. So you have to write according to. Okay. Yes. She is a disciplined student. In addition to is wrong. So what instead of in addition to you have to write in spite of her poverty. So what is the answer? She is a disciplined student in spite of her poverty. So in the dash you have to write in spite of. Okay. So next one is always need. See dash always need. That is in spite of. Next, many students like her. What is the answer? Many students like her. What is that? Here because of. What is the answer? Because of. So many students like her because of her simplicity. Because of is a apt answer. Okay. So what instead of in case of you have to write what because of. Okay. Yes. According to her parents. Okay. According to according to her studies. According to her studies, she also does. So what according to is wrong here. So what is the apt prepositional phrase? Apart from her studies. So here instead of according to you have to write here what apart from her studies. What she also what participates in sports. She also participates in sports. She gets on with everyone in regardless of. So here you have to write what she gets on with everyone in. So in the word in case of, so you have to remove in case of, then you have to add what regardless of. Okay, she gets on with everyone in what everyone regardless of age and gender in her school, in the school. She gets on with everyone regardless of age and gender in the school. Next, dash. So here what in opposition to is wrong one. So instead of in opposition to you have to write in the event of. Okay, in the event of taking leave. So the answer is in the event of taking leave, she ensures that she completes the work given below. She goes to school next day. So you have to remove what instead of this word in opposition to you have to write in the event of. Okay, so in the event of taking leave, she ensures that she completes the work given below. She goes to school next day. Okay.